Hello and welcome to this special live. Now this we are going to be showcasing to you some beautiful brand new dupattas in Munga silk which are colorful, which are beautiful, which are also very easy for you to carry. Unke they're not too elaborate, so it's going to be really easy for you to be able to carry those beautiful Munga silk dupattas that we're going to be launching today. But first things first, this gorgeous color, this incredible dupatta for you. Now, Munga silk and this particular blue and the red both doing really well since the last few days. Of course, for a very short video worn this blue. I think it's a beautiful color. ब्लू ऐसा एक कलर है जो आप सुबह पहने, शाम को पहने, रात को पहने, कभी भी पहने, it's going to look absolutely amazing. Okay, that's the whole joy of wearing this blue fabric in Munga silk, which is 3450 per meter, and ये है available. Okay, so this is available by the meter. You can buy it as much as that you like, so yes, this fabric, exact same motif, is now available as many meters as you would like. Now this dupatta that I paired with it is the most beautiful Ambi dupatta in Georgette, and ye hai Sona Rupa 32,800 the dupatta. It's gorgeous. I'm just seeing if I can move a little behind. Yeah, now you can see the whole look right there. It's lovely. Okay, it's quite dressy in fact, but you will see that it's really easy to carry. So this complete look is available for you to buy. Now the thing is that if you're going to go for an A-line like this, and my bottoms are also slightly broader, you can see it's a broad border. So this is bottom, not border. This is going to take about 6 meters. So yes, I have some detailing, handwork detailing here on V-neck, and really like just flexible and lovely that you can be wearing anytime. Okay, I'm going to start out with the new dupattas that we have, and each one is absolutely stunning. They have a unique combination in colors, and the specialty is of course the dyeing, the flow, just the overall look, and these dupattas are ready for you to be kind of ordered right away. All of them are ready to ship out. So yeah, that's the whole fun. Now look at that. It's like, it's soft, it moves, but it's very easy for you to carry. What is the length of any one of these? I'm going to show it to you. 2.5. Okay, so they're all 2.5. The lovely tassels are done. Here you go. You can see the whole look right there. And for you to be shipping right away, so you can do that. Okay, one dupatta is also an incredible way for you to try something with us. Okay, that is amazing. Now, jahan aati hai baat, abhi I'm going to come to that about fabric. Okay, what fabric is it that you're going to go for with these? You're going to go for a Munga silk fabric, of course. Okay, now you want to keep it. Now I'm coming close so that I can show you the beautiful work and color that's there. It's all in gold zari. There's just that hint of green, which I think kind of makes it really special. So aap jab isko pehnenge, you can of course do a pink or a lavender outfit, but you can also go with the border color. So really flexible. Okay, so really flexible. Probably pink agar aap ek suit banate hain, like a Munga Buta, really nice one, you can use it for other dupattas. But if you do a green with this, it will be this perfect look with this one. Also with pink, I think very formal. Hamesha jahan thoda sa contrast hai, like this on the border, if you're going to do an outfit like this, it's a little more fun. You do a same match from the base color, it looks a little more formal. But either ways, you cannot go wrong with it. Like, look at that, here it is. Now, the next one. Yes, okay, so these are all generally 2.5 plus tassels. मेरा हमेशा आपको यही कहना है that अगर आपको बहुत particular है length के बारे में, आप हमें ज़रूर पूछें, before you want to place your order, ज़रूर जाने कि इसकी length क्या है, width क्या है, whatever question you have. Oh my God, look at that hotness of color right there. I love it. Okay, now it's such a flawless piece. Because if you're going to go for this yellow, it's going to look very beautiful. Or my second suggestion is going to be this hot pink. But at the end of it, each color that you wear with it, will go really well. When you're going to go for a Munga silk fabric, 3450 per meter. 3450 into 6 meter, बताएं मुझे एक बार कि कितना होता है. I want to tell you that for this outfit, 20,700. Okay, so 20,700 for 6 meter of this fabric that I'm wearing, Buta fabric. and then you can add on this lovely dupatta, which I think it's really pretty. These are 18,800, and with that it will be 39,500. You have a full complete dupatta plus 6-meter set that you have, and that is okay. This one, here you go. Now look at that. That's all. Kya baat hai? Look at the color. Look at the beauty of this. Each one of these dupattas 18,800, ready to ship out. I mean, absolutely incredible. The colors and art. This is a piece of art, really. Because imagine building these colors together. There's a red, there's a pink, there's a yellow, there's a sea green, all of that. And then of course, you just wear a base like this, like a dark color, and it looks incredible. So that's the joy when you have essentially beautiful pieces. आपको कैसे भी अच्छा लगेगा. And look at that. That's your thing. Go for the border, go for the red. I mean, that's my 2 suggestions for the colors, and then you can pick up. Now with this, I'm going to go on to, okay, right from there, I'm going to jump. I have 2 color options, and then we are now, so these are the 2 color options. Now we're going to go to the organza suits, because we have beautiful organza suits for you. Just hold on this for a minute. We're going to come back to this. I'm going to show you all of these colors that, okay, when it's like it just kind of leaves you in awe, the color, the finishing, the whole perfection right there. Munga silk is an all season fabric. Look that आप कभी भी पहने, कैसे भी पहने, इसको फॉर्मली पहन ले, इसको easy way में पहन ले, it's going to look pretty and it's going to look very pretty. The colors come out beautifully. जितनी light ज़्यादा है, मूंगा उतना ही, or it's a very saturated, intense, deep color, so it looks good no matter how much the light is. Which means what? Which means that आप इसको इंडोर पहने, आप इसको आउटडोर सनशाइन में पहने, आप इसको एक ओपन डे में, like way I am wearing, you wear it. Now look at that. Okay, I would even think that if you have a nice blue suit like the way I'm wearing, then you're going to be doing so many dupattas, and I think they each look perfect. Ekdam light hai weight, and the width is, okay, I'll tell you the width also. The width is 36. So it is a lesser width, matlab full dupatta length hai or full width hai, but it is not the 44 which we do in Katan silk, okay? Which means that it is really easy for you to be kind of wearing this, okay? Now we're going to be doing some organza suits, okay? Organza, this season we've launched our signature red. It's a beautiful red, but it's still on pre-order. It's still getting made. So of course you can place your order for that, and we'll share a picture if you want. But what I do have are the most amazing new colors that we have made in it, okay? And that's the beauty, that's the joy. Look at that. Now what is it that you're seeing here? Okay, you're seeing this lovely Meenakari organza kurta, then you're seeing this bottom. We have paid so much attention to the bottoms. आप देखेंगे कि this is organza, this like this bit of it where the border shows, but this we've given a sturdier, like you can skip the lining. I always suggest lining because it just looks more graceful, it lasts longer, but आप चाहें, my hand is inside, you can't see it, so that it's very easy for you to wear it, okay? So look at that, this is your bottom with the texture. I love standing live because I can really come close to you and show you all the detail, okay? Now look at that. That's your Firozi kurta. That's your bottom. And now I'm going to just come to the dupatta. And it's a very beautiful, blue. I love this, and especially in this season. Now if you ask me, I love this as a day color. It's more like a day color. So it looks incredibly pretty, of course, in early evening. 4 बजे की लाइट में अगर आप पहनते हैं बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. But in the day to that evening, this is your color. You're going to be wearing this. Now for an evening color, okay, evening. Now sundowner color जिसको बोलते हैं. This is actually खुद में ही that sunset orange, and it's perfect, okay. We're doing lots of lovely color options in this particular suit set. That, oh, look at that, here it is, absolutely pretty gorgeous. I could say that this color, I was thinking, visualizing it, you could say that this color is like an all day color, like, because it's going to look really nice in the morning. You can see the light. Can I get the bottom? It will look very nice in the day, but it will also work very well again till late evenings. It's going to work very, very well. So all day and early evening look, and the weight of it, the lightness of it, the weave of it. Now truly, to morning to evening to night, this is your color. Iska main aapko zarur, I want to open it and I want to show it to you how beautiful it is. Okay, you can see the light weight. It's a 3-meter kurta, so we've kept it enough for you so that we can give you all of that styling. Okay, 3 meters kurta. So that's how I've designed it. You can even go slightly A-line if you want. I mean, that's also possible. And yes, this is Meena color 2. That was 1, and this is also, of course, the Meena color of our look that I have worn earlier, I think last 2 months back probably. Okay, since that day and since today, it's on pre-order. So that's the love that you guys show our collections, and it's amazing, it's mind-blowing. You guys are absolutely awesome. These are 44,800 for a full 3-piece set. This is a lovely, lovely color. The last 2 more colors, and of course in evening, a black. A beautiful, lovely, stunning black shade. That is what you get. Here it is. This is purple. Oh my god, look at the colors popping out in this. I think it looks amazing. So there you go. This is it. Here it is. Okay. So that black, it's perfect along with this whole bottom which is there with it. So wear it summer evenings, anytime, and you cannot go wrong. So organza suits, don't fear it. हमने बनाया इसी तरीके से that you will see that there is this, this weight, slight weight. When I say weight, itna hai ki ye aaram se tik jaye. Now look at the gorgeousness of this, I think I should have worn all of these dupattas also, and shown it to you, because I want to show you the look. I want you to see how beautifully it just sits down. Koi movement nahi hai, kuch nahi. I'm moving my hand, okay? So when you fear organza, don't fear our organza, okay? Because we made it to perfection. Purest, threads, silk, because you see so many kind of organza. I don't know, I don't want to comment on that. But this one is perfection. Look at the tassels. It looks amazing. At the end, I see separate color. We will show the colors once more very quickly, or only the dupattas probably. Okay, I want to do that at the end, not now. And this is your suit. Okay, this is your suit, and this is your bottom. And it's amazing. This color again, all day long. 44,800. Ready to ship out all of these pieces just for you. Okay, from that I'm going to go to another dupattas, and I have these very lovely dupattas that we have launched I think some time back. Okay, and I have these 5 colors, but they have constantly done so well. They have also done really well because of the fact that they are dyeable. Okay, so this incredible Meena dupatta, and you can see the softness of the silk. This is 32,800, and it's amazing. Okay, look at the sheen. You have to wear a matched kurta with it. It can be a gold. I've worn it with my new gold. New gold can be in chinia, but if you do a full match look in Munga Bhuta or Chinia Bhuta, bahut sundar lagega. Look at that. There's effortless how to wear it, how to dress it up. Khud mein it moves, the very beautiful, and look at that finishing, everything there. Okay, now that's the new gold ka color. Probably you may just remember it, but I know so many of you joining in for the first time, and so of course then it's new to you. But just to tell you, we've done a chinia in the same color as it's the new gold, and then there's dupatta over it. Agar aap chahe ek reference to jo wo live tha, wo I can show it to you, and you can always, we'll share the link to you basically. But it looks beautiful. Now you can also of course dye Munga in this color if that's the fabric. देखिए, अच्छा बहुत जरूरी है to understand how fabric is. Okay, Munga as a fabric. Okay, then I think the world is divided into some who like sheen in their looks and some who don't like sheen also. But I know at the same time that कभी हमें पहनना होता है, कभी sheen and कभी नहीं होता. Like I know when I'm dressing up in the morning, someday I want to wear something very understated like a Munga suit. On someday I want to wear something which has a little more sheen, maybe even a satin, maybe even a premium cotton, thank you. So I want to do that, right? But it depends. So yes, it's also, so it's not fair when I say that the world is divided. I think each one of us wants to wear a little bit of both. coming back to the point that Munga is flowy, it's really soft and it picks up color in the best possible way. Like you cannot beat it. But if you want a Banarsi sheen, it doesn't have that Banarsi sheen. It cannot have, because it's not how the fabric is meant to be. Okay, the colors will come out beautifully. अच्छा, ये भी बहुत बार होता है जब हम मूंगा अभी पहना हुआ है, आपने देखा है, the light is hitting, it's obviously flowing. So this is how Munga looks, and when you get it folded, of course it looks like, yeah, this looks a little flat to me. But you have to open it, you have to stitch it, and you have to wear it, because this Munga will look exactly the same way on you. I mean, that's my promise, okay? So just go for this fabric, even if it means just trying one kurta. एक बार पहन के देखे, I think nothing brings more comfort than a Munga silk. Oh, that's a beautiful, beautiful shade. A stunning one. I have two more shades into this. And then I'm going to go into the season ka fabric, which is premium cotton, okay? We're going to go into premium cotton. And yes, we do have the latest ones. We were all live yesterday, right? Not yesterday. Day before, what did we do? I'm just thinking, what did we do day before? We did we did Florence, okay? We did black Florence, which is now available for you to place your order. So that was day before. Yesterday we didn't do anything. This is the only, of course, content coming through today. But it's crisp, it's short, it's going to have so much power packed for you. I mean, for me, for this season, oh, that's a very lovely, it's a light blue. A full light blue look is going to look stunning. Okay, so this is a light blue, and the final color for this is this. Okay, and it's going to be this particular one. It's a pink color. Look at how it moves. And it's not about how we hold it. It is because the dupatta is like that. It's soft, it's easy. It's just, again, something you really can dress up, because you can wear, and I think a black would also look very nice with it. Now, I haven't tried black. I think we must try black. I think we will try black. Okay, look at that. Here you go. It's very nice. This whole color coming very close to you for a final look of it. This is the last color in this lovely piece, and these are 32,800 pure silk with meenakari. And look at the back, because that's also very important that we show you the back. Incredible piece. Okay, from that, let's jump into our premium cottons. Our premium cottons, you cannot have enough of. Her color mein, different styles mein, we have it for you. So Florence, of course, we were showing it to you that Florence we've launched, and which was day before. So Florence is there. But look at this incredible fabric. You just need one perfect lining with it, which also we provide, 480 per meter. Uske alawa, just look at the grace. All I've done is just opened it, and I'm just going to show it to you very closely. Ab ek question hai bar on premium cotton, which I want to answer, which is very important for you to know. How do you complete it as a set? Okay. Option 1, same on same, which will take 5 meters or 6 meters. Option 2, you do a plain bottom with it in Chanderi cotton, the guff wala, it will match perfectly. And that's also our look in one of the premium cotton look. I've done many looks, but in one of them, we have shown it. That's easy. Now, second part of it is dupatta. Let's do this dupatta. Okay? Dupatte ki aisi baat hai. You can read that. Yes. Look at that. That's a very nice, very pretty. Let's do the premium cottons with, yes. So, oh, look at that. That's one Munga dupatta. I saved it for you to see. And I think it looks ravishing, okay, on it. Of course, the dupatta on itself is also very pretty. So, I just want to show you the dupatta. So, jahan dupatte ki baat aati hai for premium cottons, the most basic, okay, wo ek hai na jisme 3,200 wala dupatta laga hua hai. Just see if you can find it. I'm going to show you something. I have shown you a nice mid-range dupatta, 18,800, jiske saath ye bahut sundar lag raha hai, okay, and the dupatta in itself is just gorgeous, okay, and it was shown as a contrast. You can do the mid-range dupattas, you can do the most basic dupattas. Okay, we'll come to it when you find it. Let's start with this. Okay, you can do like Georgette Diable dupattas. You can do the 3,200 wala without tassel dupatta. Okay, तो वो जा चुका है क्या वहाँ? No worries. Okay, fine. So that also looks nice. And then you say मुझे 12,800 वाला चाहिए, वो भी अच्छा लगता है, उसका लुक भी हमारे पास, वो भी दिखा सकते हैं. And then basically you can wear any dupatta, and I'm going to show you very heavy dupattas also today on this fabric, because that is what it can take. It is such perfection. Now look at that, it's a new, we made this, and this color, it did so well. Now look at that, I'm coming so close to show you the finesse, but मुझे ये लगता है कि आपको खोल के दिखाना चाहिए, because the beauty of this fabric is like, you know, just to be admired and seen. Okay, so that's the dupatta. Now I'm going to show you one very different kind of dupatta, which is this. You want to build it up, make it a little dressy. You wear this 10,800 wala dupatta. It looks nice. आप चंदेरी दुपट्टा 5,800 वाला पहने, वो भी बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Okay, and then now I'm going to show you this incredible color that we have made, and that is amazing. Okay, look at that, it's a blue by green. First things first, it's blue by green. For this, the best way is to do a same on same. Okay, plain bottom होगा तो एक single color में dye होगा. Now you see the beauty of it. That's the pink shade Meena. Okay, so of course I can do a lighter simple dupatta, but अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा, you know, as razzmatazz as you say, I want to add that razzmatazz, then you do this. Because look at how perfect it is. This is a Georgette dupatta, and you know, when I say perfect, we don't only make it on paper. Okay, we make paper, मतलब कई बार कोई combination ऐसी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं colors, but can you wear it together? No. But these are made perfection to the T. You really will enjoy them wearing together. We've thought of the textures, the flow, everything before we have made this. Okay, so look at that. That's your combination. और मुझे लगता है इसके साथ बहुत सुंदर है, that pop of green on its own. This dupatta, very pretty. Look at that. Okay, this dupatta, what is it? 22,800. Okay, 22. Acha, you had seen me wear it in red. I think we've been selling a lot of it in red, thanks to you guys. But I'm also saying that जो इसके बाकी colors हैं, especially this pink, because I love this pink. Can you just keep this pink aside, because I'm going to take it back, okay? And I'll show you how lovely it is. No, it's fine. Let's do this green. Now I'm going to show you. So we did like we did an 18,800 wala combination dupatte ka, then we did a 10,000. Now I'm going to go all premium, okay, because I think this fabric can take it, because it can make it look incredibly beautiful. Like this is 6,800 per meter. All of these that I'm showing you, look at that, it has a touch of red, okay, and you can really do a nice kurta and a skirt with it, and then wear a gorgeous dupatta like this, like a sharara, and then just see that. Okay, it is so beautiful with this because of the Meena. I'll show you the dupatta separately, of course, but ye bahut sundar hai for a summer, very dressy, very beautiful look. Add some volume to it in your silhouette, whether even if you're taking a plain bottom, for a volume silhouette like a skirt or a sharara, take our silk, or you take premium chanderi if you're going to go for a skirt. So wear a nice flary skirt, wear this kurta a little shorter, and then this drape, this dupatta. I'm telling you, it's going to look so pretty, okay? And this is of course from our premium range of dupatta, and it's absolutely amazing, like something you just cannot go wrong with, okay? So that's your dupatta. It's a very pretty one of ek aur I think combination I showed you. Now very quickly getting into this, look at that. This is the, so two-tone mein, I think there was the green, this is the two-tone, and it's just beautiful, hint of red, you know, and that is I think what is kind of making it amazing, this whole effect of it, okay? Now with this I'm going to do two dupattas. I'm also going to do this hot pink because it's got that Meena, and then I'm also going to bring back my Georgette dupatta. Okay, let's keep this aside, and I'm going to bring back this because this was also looking very pretty on it. Look at that. Okay, so this is also looking incredibly nice. So I think you can go for either one of them. I'm showing it to you from the back. Plain bottom, very dressy, very pretty look. Another color in this, and this one. So see, I will match it to the Meena. अगर base में करना है तो ये जो looks हैं ये base में तो हो ही सकते हैं dye like these dupattas. But बात ये है कि we want to do something more. You know, we want to give you a value addition that look can be amazing. yes, same on same ka apna maza. I'm not denying that. It's going to look really nice. If you do a soft chanderi dupatta in this color, it's going to be really cool, okay? And you need to do a really good, perfect lining. Don't compromise on that. You know, whether you take it from us or not, whatever, just make sure it's matched. The color is matched. You cannot go wrong with it, okay? Because pura look hi change ho jata hai otherwise. So there you go, another pink, and this, it looks very nice. In the base also it will look really good. This dupatta 10,800. So I'm showing you so many different ranges of these dupattas that can be matched. But jo bhi fabric hai, they're all of the same range. Okay, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do this, then I'm going to do that, okay? So I'm going to go back to that. And there you go. So this is a blue. Now in this one, okay, I'm going to show you that the Meena is red. Okay, it's not pink, it's red. Do a same on same, and it's bound to look nice. Ye dupatta acha hai, but I think it's looking okay on it. I don't think it is that great. I want to do that red dupatta. It's nice, you know, it was nice. Like, you cannot go wrong with it. Acha dupatta hai. But the finesse of this, and especially the weaving, you know, of this particular kind needs this. And look at this. I think this is far more perfect. Both made in Karwa, both very, very fine work. So, मैं ज़रूर चाहूँगी that when you wear it as a dressy look, see, you can wear it very simple, okay? Plain bottom, 3,200 ka dupatta without tassels. Tell me the maths. Let's do the maths. That will come to be, I'll tell you, if you do, this is 6,800 into dhai plus 2,450 plus 3,200. Just give me the maths of that. 450. So that is, I think I'm telling you, that's going to be about 23,000 or so. So, yeah. 3,200. Yeah, 3,200, yeah. So, yeah, 22,650 exactly, okay? So, when you do this, not with this, I'm saying this with a simple dupatta, which is very good quality. It's not simple because it's like not good quality. It's excellent quality. Plain bottom and this, chahe contrast kare. But usme I would say 3,200 mein aap same base color kare. Then you want to make it dressy, then wear a gorgeous piece like this. It's beautiful. I mean, it's just amazing, okay? Look at the color. Look at the vibrancy. It's like just perfection. Even these dupattas, okay, this one is like a 28,800. They do so pretty, so well, okay, in pastels, in bright colors, like you're wearing a nice Munga silk suit, and then you do a dupatta like this. Kya rahega? Kuch bhi nahi. It's perfect, okay? You don't need anything more to kind of dress up. Okay, on this one, this is your second, not second last, it is your last in this orange. Okay, I'm showing you all the colors that we've made, and we're showing it to you, and it's perfect, okay? Pink, Bhuta, just perfection. Now, in this, I'm going to get my another perfect dupatta in Karwa, which is, of course, the knee Bhuta, okay? And here it is. Look at the orange, look at that. You can do an entire orange look as well, but I think that contrast looks good. It kind of adds a little value to it. And look at this. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay, this dupatta, 24,800, a monogram dupatta, feeling incredibly great. You want to feel great, you want to feel so good about yourself, just pick this up. I think you're just bound to be amazing, okay? It's the most beautiful dupatta on its own, as a set, as maybe something that you already have. Pick it in red or a black or a pink, and it will work, okay? So this dupatta, which is 24,800, of course, really great with that. Okay, I'm going to do 2 Munga suits for you, complete full looks in this pastel pink Meenakari, and there you go, okay? Now the zari, okay, I want to show it to you. The zari is very light. It is silver in it, okay? So that's the zari. The bottom is plain silk. But what we've done for the dupatta is that we've done a light and dark, okay? Yehi iska pura look hai. And I think it's absolutely amazing because of the kind of effect that it creates. Look at that. That's the dupatta. This is your look. And it's really perfect, okay? I'm going to come closer. This is the bottom. It's a plain silk bottom we've tried in this to give you a little more sheen. it's plain chiniya, okay, so we've done that, but this is the whole look. Now look at that, there you go. It is amazing. I have to hold it seedha, I'm holding it ulta, but you can see it like this, you can see it like this, and it's really really pretty. Okay, so there you go, you can see the whole look. Ek aur color hai isme, and I'm telling you, both the colors irresistible, soft, flowy, formal, something that you can be wearing anytime. This is your look for that. And I'm just bringing the kurta really up so that you can see the full complete look in it. Stunning, just stunning, so lovely. And when you wear it, then you know iska jo maza hai pehnne ka, as a fabric, as a texture, as you know, something which is stylish, which is comfort, is just absolutely amazing. Okay, look at that, it's really pretty. There you go. I'm going to put the kurta straight for you to see. There you go. So yes, again with the plain silk bottom. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to do this one thing. Yeah, I'm going to do that one dupatta. Let's do one or two more dupattas that you have last remaining. The second color I want to show you. Okay, now ye jo dupatte hain, this is of course today's new launch. I have the last 3-4 colors remaining, which is what I'm going to show you. There you go. This, okay, pair it up with a base color or the border color. You cannot go wrong. These are ready to be shipped out today. This is the last bit. Okay, with this I want to do the cream. Now I want to show you a very easy way of dressing this up. This is a super pastel color. Okay, very very soft and easy, so good to the eyes. Okay, now what I'm going to do for this one is that I'm going to just do a moonga and natural color. Okay, so you see how it kind of just comes, you know, together. It looks beautiful. So it's a light creamish color. It is not necessarily a color from it. Do you have a perfectly matched color? Then show me your perfectly matched color. But I think this is so soothing and nice to the eye. I'm going to keep this in hand, okay? Just I want to see. Now I'm going to show you with the blue. But ye blue to maine pehna hua hai. If I were to do this, I would go for this electric blue, okay? For this one, or green. Like, it's a no-brainer. Like, little more formal, green, little more fun, then blue. Yeah, because the contrast will show a little more. So that's one, okay? And now let's do this. Okay, let's do this like this. So you've seen me wear the red moonga as well, right? And I've done the chanderi dupatta. But agar uske saath inme se koi dupatta aap, you know, pair karna chahe, it is something that will look nice. Now it's not any of the same colors, but as a look it kind of elevates it. So okay, now if I were to say this is one color that I have, okay, it is something we have made in hundreds and hundreds of meters over the years, okay, thousands probably. So this is one of our signature red, this is a signature blue. Both have the unique Neve Buta, both 3450 per meter. For an A-line you will need 6 meters, and for a straight you will need 5 meters, okay? And it is as simple as that. 6 meters up karte hain to 20,700 ka fabric hai. These dupattas, you pick a penny, they are 18,800. And also, like, I would choose this base here for this dupatta, or even this brighter one in this buta, and that would be that, you know. Now look at that, here you go. This one, let's do a contrast and show it to you. Oh, look at that. I think it looks damn nice. Here you go. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty as a combination. It's perfect. Okay. And it's something that you will really wear and enjoy over a period of time. Like, there's no aging to this. It's always good. It's always great. Fresh and amazing. That is how it looks. Okay. Like, really great fabric. अब मैं आपको ये खोल के दिखा देती हूँ. It's a one really nice color. It's like a shade of purple to me. I wouldn't call it a shade of pink. It's more like a purple. Okay, and there you go. So, you know, just adding that. And the last dupatta, I just want the last dupatta that we are doing, which is going to be this, because I do have, so this I had in one more color, and then I'm going to be doing this, and that's it. And yes, okay, we're done showing you overall. Look at that, how perfect it looks. Guys, go for this whole combination. It just makes so much sense. Organza suits for you. Silk meenakari dupattas, very soft silk for you. Okay, premium cotton for you, and of course lovely Munga shades and fabrics and all of that for you. The last one, this is of course one only dupatta now remaining in Munga in blue, and there you go, that's a full look for you. This is 18,800. This fabric is 3450 per meter. And now is the time for you to place your order. आप कैसे करेंगे? On WhatsApp. You have to just come on WhatsApp with a screenshot. Send us a picture. And oh yeah, I wanted to show. Let's see. Let's do a couple of the. Okay, we want to do that. Okay, I'm going to take this and put it away as a break. मैं ये दिखाना चाहती हूँ that this beautiful suit set. Don't come ask us just the dupattas. I can't give you the dupattas. बट मुझे दिखाना है ये सूट्स जो इतने gorgeous हैं when you wear the dupattas. There is a very nice, we started in the live and we had shown that and we had said that we have the suits. I've shown the suits, but I wanted to show you the dupattas separately because they are just the most perfect things that you can be wearing. You have to stop your fear of organza and you have to start loving. Okay, I know it looks nice with blue, but this is a very good suit set that I have, and you should see that whole orange effect is just lovely. Okay, so when you think next time that is organza going to make me look fluffy, it will not. Okay, it will not. You gotta do it straight style. Okay, not too stuck. You have to wear these beautiful dupattas to kind of enjoy the magic of wearing, because it does not, and I'm telling you, it does not get better than this. Now look at that, look at how it moves. Stunning black. इसका जो सूट है, बॉटम भी है, कुर्ता भी है, पिक्चर्स भी हैं, सब है हमारे पास. Just come to us. This is the last color. इसका भी सूट था. And these suit sets are 44,800. They are incredible, and yes, that's it. I thought I'll just show it to you by wearing those beautiful colors, and all of this right away ready for you. So come place your order on WhatsApp and have it anywhere in the world. Cash on delivery. पूरे इंडिया में अवेलेबल है. सो आई विल सी यू सून. थैंक